How to unblock someone on Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open a Roblox application in your mobile device. So once you open the Roblox application, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner. Scroll below and then simply tap on settings. Now inside settings, simply tap on privacy and content maturity. Once this page opens up in your screen, you want to go ahead and tap on blocked users. And you'll then be able to find all of the blocked users in Roblox. If you wish to unblock someone, simply tap on unblock. And just like so, they will get unblocked on Roblox. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.